Hey friends, welcome to another quick review. This is the DYU C1 bicycle. This is an e-bike. It features disc brakes on the front and back, a nice little kickstand here, reflectors all over the place. Features a 55-pound weight limit, little rack on the back that you can put whatever you need on there. Front and rear mud flaps. This is a 7-speed, features a Shimano derailleur on the back, very nice, high quality. Pedals, the seats as well as the front tire have the quick release on there, so they're really easy to take on and off. We have also the shocks here on the front, work great for a smooth ride, which can be locked, closed if you don't want that action, or open them up for some nice smooth ride there. Has a light on the front. Here we have our little control panel, which is controlled right here. Hold on the power button, that comes on. It's going to tell you your battery limit, how fast you're going. This has a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour. With just using the battery, you could pedal and go much faster. Here is the light for the front of the bike and also the modes you can do for travel. This has a 36-mile range and 26-inch tires. This thing is a ton of fun to ride and just cruise around with. I really enjoy this bike. It is a lot of fun, and we even have a little bell here on there. Here are our brakes, dual brakes, front and back, and then here is our gas pedal, if you will, and our shifters are right here. The Shimano, very good brand. So my friends, I am really impressed with this. Another nice feature is this battery right here can just be unlocked and taken, and you can just charge it in your house, so you don't have to take your whole bike into your house to charge it or wherever you're charging it. So a lot of nice features, a very fun bike to ride. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.